This is what the fast attack was meant for. Look at that. What a beauty. Steve here, ShenRC, and I'm with the fast attack. I didn't run this in a long time. Let's give it a whirl. Woohoo! Beauty. Look at it go. Fast attack. Yeah. Attacks everything. Pretty quick. Oh, Nelly. He's a beauty. The handle's really good. Look at the handling on this. This is one good handling vintage buggy with the battery low. It's awesome. See how fast she is. Come down here. It's pretty quick too with the 20-turn motor. Full speed and I could turn it. The handling on this. I'm gonna go up here. Whoa! Thing could handle anything. Whoa! Oh, I just nailed myself. Try a little ball field action here. Excuse me, dust is getting in my nose. This thing's a beauty. Woo, what a dust storm. Make a nice dust storm here since it's blowing the other way. No one makes better dust storms than the fast attack. Go, baby, go! I think I'm eating dust. Just got a 20 turn in it. Over here, if I can hit this, keep it in a straight line. I can't. Thing's just sinking in this powder. Look at this, guys. This is what the fast attack was meant for. Look at that. What a beauty. Take this sucker on the beach, you'll have a blast, especially if you put paddle tires on it. It's a gem. Should probably run good on a 2S LiPo to have a little more oomph. Look at that. Alright guys, that's the fast attack. Just wanted to show you this beauty in its natural habitat. Worked like a charm. Look at that. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell for future videos. And leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Shen RC out.